Yeah. No.
Rhinoceros. That's right. What's that? That's a leopard.
Mama.
Where's the leopard fit? Yes, that's where the leopard fits.
Mama. Mama. Mama.
You can do it. Try again.
Yeah.
Now what animal do you have?
Fish.
What animal is it?
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, it's a lion.